Good morning, everyone. Lillian and Gracie here. They just woke up, and Lillian was chilling out, but
she wants to lay down there, so I'll rub her. I tried to get her up in her lap. She didn't want that.
let's show her tummy.
Yeah.
Show her tummy, Dad. Show her belly button.
Come here and show me your belly button. Come here. Show me your belly button. Yeah. Okay.
I don't think we're going to get her to show her belly button.
Yeah.
So we got a few more packages for the girls, and we wanted to open them right quick and show y'all what the girls got. And I've already taken a peek.
Okay.
Gracie!
Gracie,
this is for you.
Gracie got something.
Look, Gracie, look.
Come here, Gracie. Gracie, come here.
Gracie, look what you got.
Look what you got. Gracie, come here. You wanting to play. That's all you want to do. Huh? You want to pull that out? And
Okay.
a purple one. Wow. Yeah, so hey, looky there. Yeah.
Okay, let me read this, hon. It says, Little Miss Gracie, you will look adorable in these cute diaper covers. Girls need pretty things to wear. Love, Christy Thompson.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Christy.
I'm telling you, thank you.
Our fellow Texan.
Yeah. Yeah, that are cute.
Look, they're adorable.
See?
And of course, purple is my favorite color.
Isn't it?
At them. Oh, they're precious. And let me tell you, we need diaper covers.
I mean,
We go through those things.
yeah.
We really do. Those are adorable. Thank
they
you
are.
so much.
And Gracie's growing so fast.
Yeah,
So, yeah.
those are so precious. All right, let's see. Lillian, did you get something?
What? Lillian?
Let's see. Okay, I got a little card here for Lillian. Lillian, listen. Hi, Lillian. A girl can never have too many diaper covers. You will look so cute in these. Love, Christy Thompson. Lillian, did Christy get you something, honey?
Huh?
Look here. Do you want to see what Christy got for you? Look, honey. Look, honey. Look what Christy got for you.
Oh, not the paper. Hey, ooh.
Look. Look how pretty.
Oh, you gonna pull them out? There's 3 of them.
Oh.
Oh,
Aren't those cute?
that is cute.
Those are great for summer.
Uh-huh.
Let's hold each one up.
Bright.
Flowers. Adorable. Look at that. Lillian, you're all set for summer, girl.
Yeah. So give me, I want all the tags.
Thank you, Christy. Lillian, can you give Christy a thank you? Say thank you.
She said,
Thank
I'm
you.
still sleepy.
These are adorable.
Come here,
Thank you
baby.
so much.
Come here.
And they got something else, Dad.
Oh.
Christy sent them something else.
Oh, cool.
Okay. Okay, here's the card. It says, Hi, Lillian and Gracie. I can't wait to see you playing with this. I think y'all will have so much fun with this. Love, Christy Thompson. Lillian, we got a toy. Gracie. Gracie. Look at that, Dad.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, they want to open it.
Okay.
They're both wanting to open
I
it.
know it.
Gracie, did you get a toy? Look at that, baby. Lillian's like, wait a minute now. Let's check this out slowly. Look at it. What is that? It's got eyes, Lillian. Anything with eyes. Okay.
See, well, I can't see that. I don't have my
Okay,
glasses.
here's our industrial technician, you guys.
Hey, that ain't but one button.
Here's
can't
some
see.
glasses.
Probably can't see that. Probably needs batteries.
Well, I've got batteries.
Come on, then.
Let's checking that out. Okay, so while Brandon is looking at the toy for us, I wanted to show you guys this. We got this from Michelle Morningstar and Scott. And I know that something else is coming, but we wanted to go ahead and put this on here. It is a portable swing. Lillian wants to see it.
Yeah, Lillian, she wants. Yes, I got something else. Is it something to eat?
So this is going to be awesome in their enclosure outside. And we couldn't wait to put it on film. So Michelle and Scott, when your other gift gets here, we will do a video on that too.
Yeah.
And their tree, it's almost like a hammock. Look at it.
Yeah.
That'll be great. Just, actually, I want to kind of spread it apart like that when we hang it, so they can just get up there and lounge on it.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
And it'll still be kind of swingy. So, thank you so much, Michelle and Scott.
Thanks, Michelle, Scott.
Y'all are so sweet.
I'm telling you.
And like I said, they're sending something else, so when it gets here, I'm going to do another video for them.
Yeah.
But this is so great. I'm going to want to move out in their enclosure.
I'll let you.
Okay, y'all heard that. Okay, so this is really cool. All right, Billy, we need to put it back in its little pouch.
Yeah, put this in there with it. There's
Yeah.
a couple of clips.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, okay. Awesome. We can actually hang that off their cage. It doesn't have to be out of the tree.
I know it. That's a good idea.
Yeah.
These girls right here are ready to go play this morning. I'm ready to go let them. You ready to go play, honey?
Look how big Gracie's getting, you guys.
I know it. I like to be big.
And Gracie will be a year old in September, you guys.
Wow.
The first part of September, we're going to celebrate her birthday.
Wow, I didn't realize that.
Uh-huh.
God. You a year old?
Almost.
Wow.
Goodness. Gracie getting so big.
Let me get.
Okay, Brandon got the battery in it. Check this out, guys. Let Lillian grab it. It's moving and Lillian's like, what the heck? Now we set it in the floor. Here, let's set it right by you, Daddy. So we can show everybody how it moves when it's on the ground. It disappeared. There it is. Oh, that'll be cool in their playroom.
I'm telling you.
Lillian likes it. I thought she'd be afraid of it.
Yeah, 'cause it's moving around in her hand.
Uh-huh, it is. Do you like it? That's pretty cool. Catch. Catch. She likes to throw balls. Good girl. Catch.
She's pretty good at throwing.
Oh, yeah. Catch. Hey, it went down my shirt. Yeah. Okay, here. Catch. Catch. Good girl. Catch. Oh. Catch. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, you can hear it. Okay. Gracie. Gracie, catch.
Gracie.
Catch. Lily. Catch. Catch.
Throw it.
Throw it. Throw it. Throw it, Lillian.
Catch.
She said I already caught it. Whee! Good throw. Catch.
Get up here. She wants.
Catch. Throw it. Throw it. Good girl. Hey, that's pretty cute.
Yeah, that is cute.
Yeah, I like that. Lillian, catch it. Whee! Throw it.
Throw it.
Well, anyway, we hope everybody's having a really great day today. Christy, the diaper covers and the ball, it was pretty cool. We really appreciate that. And like I said, we can't have enough diaper covers.
No, I'm telling
And
you.
as you know, Lillian loves balls, so she's going to have a blast with that one. Woo, almost caught it. Okay, we can't let her be chunking it on the ground like that. All right, thank you, baby. Okay, Daddy, want to turn it off? I want to turn it on in her room.
Okay.
Yeah, and Scott and Michelle, thank you for that swing.
Yeah, that's pretty neat.
Yeah, it's going to be more like a hammock for these girls, so that's pretty awesome. And I can't wait to hang it up and show y'all where we're going to put it. And I know y'all have something else coming for the girls, and we're excited to get that, and we're going to do a video. But we just couldn't wait any longer. We had to go ahead and do a video and show everybody what y'all got the girls for their enclosure outside. So we hope y'all are having a great day, and it's time for us to get the morning rolling along. My goodness, look at my pretty little girl.
She growing.
Look at that. I know, isn't she pretty? Her so pretty.
Yes, I'm so pretty.
Well, we will catch y'all in the next video.
Say, I'm gorgeous. Yes, you are.
Big monkey kiss.